of Maharashtra's mucormycosis task force. Dr. Bhumkar, you're hearing these stories. People are being asked to pay 20,000. Hospitals have put their hands up saying we don't have vials of amphotericin, but the black market seems to have it.
I have to actually catch my breath looking at what you're exposing now. For sure, we've been hearing that some people do get offers of having the amphotericin offered to them, but by and large, my personal experience has been in and around Bombay. I think there's a reasonable regulation that the government has done through the collector's office. Initially we were getting it, then through the civil hospital we are getting less than what the patient needs, and on a daily basis. So there is a big problem of having an adequate supply. But if this, and not, I'm not saying if this is true what you are exposing, I want to only with folded hands ask all the black marketeers, just visit one mucor patient once in the hospital, and I don't think their conscience will permit. I know there's a famous saying that conscience is soluble in greed and money, but please, this is not the time. I mean, the COVID patient has managed to survive, and now from a frying pan, he or she is in the fire. And I'm really very, very emotionally touched by what you're showing on things, that people are actually doing this at 20. And remember, this is not 20,000 just per day. They're going to need minimum 8 injections per day, because it is 5 milligram per kg body weight. So per day cost, even at a normal MRP, is 40,000 rupees, and it's minimum 10 days. So 4 lakh rupees is what is the official cost. Rajdeep, I want to tell you, pre-COVID, when we were buying this amphotericin B, the one which was MRP at 7,800, and I have to be very open and honest, we were getting it at a hospital price of 2,300 rupees. This was the pre-COVID times, when the requirement of this drug was very, very minuscule. And of course, because it was minuscule, too few pharmaceuticals were producing it in too small a quantity. I am told, sorry, yeah.
Go ahead. Please tell.
I'm told that this molecule is pretty complex to manufacture, and therefore at the manufacturing level, it was difficult for the government, with the best possible intentions, to ask even the private sector to ramp up the production. We were told by June first week, the market will be flooded. Doctor, don't worry, till then carry on somehow. And we did surgical modifications, we did our radiology modifications to understand the disease better, to remove a little bit more than what is required, because that perhaps will get necrosed in the next 4 days. So we did a lot in terms of what a doctors could do. But this administrative challenge is beyond us as clinicians or doctors.